Welcome to Champaign Ford City Performance. I wanted to show off our latest build, 2019 F150 Superquake Edition. Those of you that followed our page and videos, you've seen these trucks before. This is the first race red Superquake we've built. You guys also know, if you've watched my videos, I do not build the same truck twice. There's always something different, whether it's wheels, trim, emblems, something. I always change up the trucks because I don't want two identically the same. So there's the STX grill. We swapped out the factory XL grill. So you've got the race red surround with the high gloss black mesh insert. Obviously the lower grill gets swapped out on this truck to allow more air into the intercooler. You can see that aggressive tread on the TOYO tires we use. These are TOYO PROXES ST3s, 22-inch black RHINO KAROOs in gunmetal. Really looks good on the race red. MBRP catback exhaust, side exit. And we'll fire that up here in a minute for you guys to hear it. There's our Superquake emblem. Basically use the same font as the old F-150 trimmers. We try to build this truck as if Ford was building a super truck today. This is what we think it would look like. Tow package. With the tow package comes transmission cooler, engine oil cooler, and this one is the 355 electronic locking differential, which is the reason why I order a tow package on these. Anytime you can get extra cooling and a performance axle, it's worth it. You also get the backup assist with the trailer tow package as well. See, I think the race red turned out really well. Feel free to comment below. I always like your feedback. Obviously the windows are tinted out. We have a local company, Midwest Auto Skins, does all of our tint for us. They do a great job. Show you our FCP, which is Ford City Performance Edition. You can see that it's a matte black, some high gloss black, silver, and red accents in there, and it's much lower profile than the factory chrome badge that goes on the fender. Let's take a look at the interior. One of the first things you'll notice, we swap out the factory door sill plates with the Ford Performance. Just a nice little touch. We order our trucks with the carpet. A lot of guys that have these special low price performance trucks with superchargers order the rubber floor. We don't do that. We get the carpet in these. Power mirrors, power windows, power locks. It's your headlamp controls, fog lamps as well. Now we'll go ahead and fire it up. We also order our trucks with satellite radio. There's your electronic differential switch. Pro trailer backup assist, your climate control, and charging ports. Now these trucks also come with different drive modes. Normal, towing and hauling, snow and wet, economy, and of course sport. Now, supercharged V8, 650 horsepower, 10-speed transmission in sport mode is a lot of fun to drive. Step out here so you can hear the exhaust. Yeah, the MBRP exhaust is very aggressive, nice rumble at idle. It can be a little loud, you know, if you live in a neighborhood where you're worried about waking up your neighbors when you start the truck, probably not the exhaust for you. But if you like a loud, aggressive exhaust, which, you know, these trucks are kind of built to be in your face, a little bit obnoxious, you know, they're not tame. So that's why we choose that exhaust. We love the look of it. The black tips look awesome. And it has a nice, deep, throaty rumble to it. It's not raspy at all. So that's pretty much it for this one. We can definitely custom build whatever kind of truck you're looking for. We've got 2020s on order already, 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive. We'll be building those up. I guess I need to show you under the hood before we let you go. So hang on a second and we'll pop the hood. All right, here is the Ford Performance ROUSH Supercharger. That is 650 horse at the crank. These have a really nice cold air intake system. The technician that I have install all of my superchargers, it's one technician that does all the work. He is a master Ford tech. He spends extra time routing hoses, making everything look cosmetically correct. There's your ROUSH carb certification. And as I mentioned, we do have 2020s on order, 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive. We can do a crew cab, super cab. The regular cabs are by far the most popular. I mean, these are all aluminum, lightweight, high-performance trucks, and they're extremely hot right now. But give me a call. My name's Todd. Been here for 26 years. Be happy to help you out, build the vehicle of your dreams. My cell phone, you can reach me on my cell phone, text, call me, 217-841-1424. Hey, thanks for watching. Do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoy these videos. Hey, have a good evening.